Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In Our Kitchen, courtesy of your girl Nessa. So today I have a recipe for you, and this recipe is like one of my favorite dish, and every time I cook this dish I have to cook a lot because I have like people out there that always smell my pot and always decide, to come over to take a plate. So technically I'm cooking for the whole neighborhood. Anyhow, today I'm going to cook StewPeas, and I'm going to show you how I cook my StewPeas. I know there's a lot of recipes out there, and a lot of person do different stuff, and do different stuff how they cook their StewPeas, but this is how I cook my StewPeas, and I just want you to stay tuned and watch me as I cook. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. Nessa's world. Sorry for this short break, but I just need to give credit where credit is due. This intro was created by a friend of mine. His YouTube page is Rockers with a Z. You need to go on over and give me a shout out. Let me know that you're there. Thank you in advance. Now back to regular program. There's gonna be like section to this. So for the first half, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I need right now, and then the next half I'm gonna show you the ingredients I need for that half. Now, so I need pimento. I need crushed garlic, and most definitely I need peas that's been soaking. I need my pigtail and my beef, that's boneless beef, and last but not least I need my chicken foot. Now these are like the star of the dish, and this is what I need right now. So first I have water on the stove, and normally what I do, I normally soak the pigtail from overnight, and I didn't do that, so I'm going to scald it. And what I mean by that is put it in water and give it boil it for like 5 minutes and let this excess salt come out, and then now I'm gonna just start cooking. This is the pressure cooker, and I'm gonna do the first step. I'm gonna light the stove, and then I'm gonna put my pigtails in. Remember I tell you I need to get the excess salt off, so I'm just gonna leave that and allow it to come to a boil, and then after that I can do the next step. Alright, so guys, now it's been like 5 minutes. The meat has been boiling, so it's ready right now. I'm just gonna give you a close look, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the water, and then get the rest of the ingredients in. Alright guys, so now I've changed the water, and the pot is back on the stove. I'm gonna add my beef to the water, then I'm gonna add the peas to the water, then I'm gonna add the crushed garlic, then I'm gonna add the pimento to the water. That gives it nice flavor. So guys, that's all the ingredients you will need. I'm not going to put any salt in the water, no additional seasoning or anything, because the pigtail will still give it that salty flavor, and at the end if you realize you need more salt, then you can add some more salt. So it's better to be fresh now rather than be salty. And then I'm gonna close the pot and allow it to pressure for a while, and then about 5 to 10 minutes I'm gonna open back the pot and see if the peas has risen or anything. Alright, so at this moment I need to open the pot, and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna slide the knife under the weight to allow the steam to escape the pot, because if I do attempt to open it without doing that, then I will be burnt, and you know, the steam will fly in my face and burn me, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna, you know, let the steam escape, and then I can open the pot. So as you see, the steam is slowly subsiding, and you know that, you know, the pot is ready to be opened once that is dropped. So I'm just gonna look into the pot, be careful, and if you see, you can see that the peas is risen to the top, and you don't want the peas to be unevenly cooked. So to sink the peas, you just add a little bit of cold water, and there you go. All the peas has fallen to the bottom. So it's been 15 minutes, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna check the pot to see if we can move on from here. As you can see, the texture is there, the color is there, the meat is tenderized, the peas is tenderized, and we don't want that to be overcooked. And I'm just gonna taste it to see if we have the right texture, what we're looking for. And yep, it is good. I'm just gonna add my chicken foot, pour a little water in there, stir it so that the chicken foot can go to the bottom. Alright, so now that the chicken foot is added, I'm just going to close the pot and just give it like 5 minutes so that the chicken foot can be cooked, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Alright guys, so this is the second half of the dish, and this is all the ingredients that you need for this part. So we're going to need the flour, and this is to make the spinach, which is also called dumpling, but it's formed in a way that, you know, it's long, so we call it spinners. We're gonna need our seasoning, which is scallion, thyme, Scotch Bonnet Pepper, and onion, and that's a half of an onion. We're also gonna need all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna need coconut milk, and I'm just using the sachet one as opposed to the real authentic coconut milk, because this is faster, and the water for the spinach. So I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to make this into a dough. So here we go. Yes, and everything is ready for the pot. So all I have to do now is wait for the chicken foot to be tenderized, and then I could add all my season and, you know, final touches, and then that's it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so now that's finished. Let's go in and check the meat. And yep, it's all ready. Alright, so now that our pot is ready for the final stage, I'm just gonna put my spinach in. So basically what you do is roll it and drop it in. So now that you know the spinners are hard enough, I'm just gonna put in this rest of the stuff. So it's a bit too light for me, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of browning, just a little bit, and this will help with the color and give it a little dark color, and that will be it. Oh my god, that's so sexy. I'm gonna add the coconut milk. I'm just gonna pour it in there. I could have mixed it, but whatever. I'm just gonna pour it in there. I'm gonna give it a stir. So I'm just gonna allow that to cook out. I'm gonna add the thyme and the scallion. I'm gonna add this onion. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit, and I'm gonna add the Scotch Bonnet Pepper, and I'm just gonna leave that for a while. I'm just gonna close it. I'm not gonna fully close it because I don't want it to be pressured. I just want it to cook a little bit. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in and let's check everything. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh. Oh my god, look. Oh, everything is so nice. And guys, if you realize I did not even taste the food, so I'm just gonna taste it right now. Taste the sauce and see how that goes. Oh my, so nice. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of flour mixture in it just to help thicken it. I'm not gonna put a lot because it's already thick, but I know what I'm looking for. Yeah. Ooh, so sexy and nice. Then you're gonna give it 1 minute, just 1 minute, and you can serve. Let's look at that again. I think it's ready, guys. Oh, yes, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready. Come and dine with me. Alright, so now I'm just going to turn off the stove. I'm going to serve. In my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. 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 Nessa's world. Oh, ooh, look at that. That is so sexy. So yes guys, so that's my famous StewPeas, and as you can see I like a lot of gravy with my rice. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.